Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some loaded pancakes with sausage, bacon, and eggs. Okay, as you can see, I started with my bacon and sausage first. Now I'm doing the eggs. So I'm just seasoning the eggs with some adobo, garlic, and black pepper. And now I'm gonna pour them in a pan so they can cook. Okay, so while the eggs was cooking, I went ahead and cut the sausage and bacon up into smaller pieces. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour the pancake mix in a bowl and add some water. And then I'm gonna be adding the sausage and bacon in. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe. Now I'm just gonna be adding some eggs into the bowl, and then I'm gonna mix everything up and start making the pancakes. So I added some butter to the pan, and now I'm just pouring the mix in. I'm gonna let it cook on each side. Okay, so now it's time to flip the pancake over. So I'm just gonna flip it over. Wow, doesn't that look so good, y'all? Okay, so once that pancake was done, I went ahead and made two more, and I'll be showing you how it looked at the end.